Welcome to Infoblox's overview on how we complement Zscaler's capabilities, enabling stronger DNS and web security in your SASE deployment. Infoblox and Zscaler work together to deliver layered security. Infoblox blocks DNS threats early, while Zscaler inspects web traffic deeply. This combo provides consistent protection for both on-network and roaming users, offers full visibility into threats, and enforces unified policies across DNS and web access. In this setup, the Zscaler client connector forwards DNS over HTTPS to Infoblox Threat Defense, with no Infoblox agent required. Infoblox blocks threats at the DNS layer, while Zscaler applies DNS policies and inspects web traffic. Using Infoblox as the DNS resolver with Zscaler's DoH forwarding lets you secure DNS traffic without an Infoblox agent. You still receive real-time threat intelligence, full visibility, and protection for roaming users with no additional endpoint software required. With a VM running just ZCC, DNS queries like github.com resolve normally. But a phishing site is blocked via Infoblox's redirect page. In CSP, we see DoH activity, the block event, and policy enforcement. At the same time, ZIA shows both github.com and the phishing domain in its logs, confirming that traffic continues through Zscaler even when DNS is handled by Infoblox. Thanks for watching. Zscaler's DoH feature with Infoblox as the resolver gives you agentless DNS layer protection, real-time threat intelligence, and secure encrypted resolution for roaming users. It's a lightweight but powerful way to extend DNS security across your workforce.